Hey everyone! Want to get started on SuperEx? Here's a quick guide to register an account on the SuperEx app. Step 1. Open the App Store or Google Play, search for SuperEx, and download the official app. Once it's installed, open it up and tap Register on the main page. Now choose your registration method. You can use your email or your phone number. Just make sure to pick the correct country code if you're using your phone. Fill in your email or phone number, create a strong password. Don't forget, a good password should mix letters, numbers, and special characters for safety. Next, tap Send Code. You'll get a verification code sent to your email or phone. Check your inbox or messages and enter that code into the app. That's it, your SuperEx account is ready. Now you can log in, explore the app, and even start trading or depositing crypto. Hope this helps. If you found this video useful, hit like and subscribe for more quick crypto guides. See you next time.